Training Yard Online. Training Yard Online.
All right, here we are in week 5 of 6 of our descending wave load for the front squat. This is our peak phase, and in this peak phase, this is gonna be arguably the hardest week for us to get through. The percentages are gonna be very high, so we wanna make sure that we're mentally prepared for that to happen, all right? This one, we have 3 waves. It's gonna be a 1-3-5, 1-3-5, 1-3-5. All right, so we have 9 sets that we're gonna be going through on this wave. Because the percentages are so high, we need to make sure that we're resting adequately 3 to 5 minutes so that you're able to go ahead and put forth the same effort as you did in the previous set. So once you get through the first wave, that 1-3-5, once you're done with your 5 sets, sit down. Go ahead and take that full 5 minutes, maybe even a little bit longer before you go to your 1 rep at 98%, because that's gonna be really important that you hit that, all right? And then we'll kind of keep going from there. Just be mentally prepared that you are going to have a challenge presented to you, and we'll see how your body responds. If it responds positively, awesome, you're in the right, you're going in the right direction. If it doesn't respond positively, that's okay. Just means maybe the weekend was tough, or that you are just a little bit tired from the previous set. So don't be so hard on yourself on this, okay? Now, we wanna make sure that if there are instances where you're going through this and you are not sure that you're gonna make another rep, you can go ahead, if you're in like a 3 or 5 rep range and you're on rep 4 of 5, if you need to, you can go ahead and rack it, take a quick second, and then get that last rep, all right? If you are somebody who possibly fails your 1 rep in the second wave or third wave, you might have to reduce the load a little bit so that you can go ahead and get that, all right? So that might mean, say you started 100 pounds at that 95%, and then you're supposed to go up to 98%, which would be a 104, all right? Then, and you miss it and it lands on the ground, you can go ahead and take another rest, and then maybe you just bump it up. Instead of 100 pounds, you do 101, okay? The goal here is to get as many successful sets completed as possible. So go ahead and just make that a priority for you today. It's gonna be challenging. You can absolutely do this. We got a good warm up for you, so make sure that you take it seriously, and then let's see how these percentages move. On another note, we're gonna be at 100%. Our last and final wave, 1 rep at 100%. I know that some of you are gonna really wanna go ahead and put a little bit more weight on. Be patient, okay? Trust the process and understand that in 2 weeks, we're gonna test our 1 rep max front squat, and that's when you wanna make your money, okay? Right now, it's gonna be under fatigue, you're gonna be tired, we're gonna know that fatigue is gonna be settling in, so let's go ahead, be patient, don't get greedy, and go ahead and hit that 1 rep at 100% with a nice, strong stance. You got this.